Hello there, everyone. I am CorporateNapps, and welcome back to my channel. So I'm gonna do a thing. So I have been wanting to get some type of color in my hair, in my locks for quite some time. I've always wanted lighter hair, meaning like, and when I say lighter, I just mean like a dark brown hair instead of it looking mostly black. Someone on Instagram had a really great color, and I mentioned to her in her Instagram posting of her picture that I love her color and I really wish that I could play around with color, but dyes just don't work for my hair. She said, "Hey, have you ever tried hair wax?" And I had no idea what she was referring to, and so I sort of did some research on YouTube, and I decided to give it a go. And one of the brands that came about was called Hair Paint Wax. And basically, this is what I am going to be trying. You see that? Hair paint wax. Now, again, I think most people who do this, they are trying to do really bold colors like your reds and your blues and things of that nature. I wanted something that would come across as like a, deep brown color, as I kind of mentioned. But the only thing, or the closest thing that they had, was this, and it's called bronze. And that was the only thing that they had that was not sort of the crayon color. So I am going to give this a go. I'm going to try it here on camera. And by the way, my hair right now is freshly washed. I am about a week or so out from needing a retie. I've already done my leave-in and my moisturizer. So this is the color. Some of the foil is still there. This is the color. It's a bronzy color. I'm not sure if you can see that. Okay. And I've put a little bit in my hand here. Can you guys see that? And I'm just gonna rub it together here. Oh wow, this is very bronzy. I'm not sure if that's coming across in camera. So this is this section. I am going to finish the rest of my hair off camera and try to get a better light so that you guys can truly see the color. And here is another view. So I've went ahead and covered all of my locks with the color, but I moved to a brighter light. For whatever reason, my regular lighting just was not working. But remember, this is a bronze color. So for you guys, it may not be that big of a difference. I'm gonna insert a picture where one side is covered and the other side is not. I actually like it. It is still very damp. The color did transfer to my nails. It looks as though it may wash right out, but I will do that in my review. It definitely got on my shirt, but I actually think it may wash right out. The final video on this will be of my review, and I will do that after I've had the color in for a few days. I will tell you that my grays, which are around the perimeter of my hair, you can't even see them. So for me, that's a win. That's a win for me, believe it or not. Again, may not be drastic to you guys, but this is definitely bronze. This is the next day, and I am not sure if you can see the color a bit better today because the lighting is just a bit different. I have some of the outside light that's helping me out a little bit here. So I ended up doing twists instead of curls. Originally, I was gonna do curls, but I didn't want to deal with the long drying time. And I am going to take them out now on camera. And I'll just kind of start from the back the way that I normally would. And I've already taken the rubber bands off of my hair. And I'm just gonna separate two strands first, and then I will later separate a bit more or a lot more so that the individual locks are showing. And I probably won't do all of this on camera because it's gonna take quite a bit of time, or not quite a bit, but it'll take some time, and I don't wanna waste and make this video way longer than it needs to be. And here is the first release of the twist. I am really hoping that you guys can see the color. It is a big difference for me because on camera and even in like regular lighting, as I mentioned, my hair can come across as very dark, a natural black, I should say. And so I will now go ahead and do this. You know, one of the great things about twist outs is that it really can, I'm just looking at myself here instead of the camera, is that it really can serve as a 2-in-1, 3-in-1 type of style. You have those initial twists that you can certainly wear and wear out in public, and you can put it up into a ponytail or a bun or however you want to. And then there's this, the initial just removing of the 2-strand twist and not disturbing it beyond those 2 sides of twist. And that's, you know, a completely different look. Like, to me, this looks like a nice vacation look. It almost looks like some type of braids or something that, you know, they do with the faux hair that's being used to add different looks. So I really like that. And so you will see here, it's starting to look a bit fuller because I am in fact separating them all the way down to individual locks. I still have a few in here that need to be done, but this is one side that has been taken down. I will go off camera and finish the other side and make sure that I haven't missed any and show you what the full look looks like with the new color. And this is the final look. So I have separated the twist out similar to what I did in another video, but this is what the bronze hair paint wax has given me. Guys, if you like this type of video, please go ahead and thumbs up, and of course subscribe if you have not already done so. When you subscribe, do hit that little bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload another video. If you want to get a closer look at my microlocs, be sure to join me on my CorporateNapps Instagram page, and you can look above in the banner or in the description box below to figure out how to follow me on Instagram. I hope that everyone is doing well. I hope that you guys are being safe, and take care.